My name's Hunter with Sherpa. Today we're installing the Diamondback load bars. The Diamondback load bar system comes in pairs. This truck has 2 pairs on it that will vary per your setup. Parts and hardware will be listed here on the PDF. All right, to take the tie down off, you're gonna reach behind inside the Diamondback cover and take off the nuts on the back of the bolts, and the tie down will just pop right off. And to bolt the mount down, it's just gonna sandwich in between the tie down, and it's gonna mount with the same nuts on the back. Do the same thing on the other side. Once your mounts are on, you can go ahead and throw your crossbar on. All right, go ahead and start putting your T-nuts in the slots, and you can line it up with your fingers. All right, now go ahead and throw your T-nuts in the side. Once you got all the bolts in, go ahead and grab a tape measure and square up that crossbar. Now do the same thing on the other side. Once your load bar is all lined up and all your bolts are tight, you can go ahead and throw on the finishing touch, the end cap. Last step is to go ahead and install the nameplate. That's how you install the Diamondback load bars. If you guys have any questions about install, go ahead and reach out to our customer service team.